Hey movers, thank you so much for joining me today for a breathwork practice. I'm going to be guiding you through Sukha Pranayama, which is a great tool, breathwork tool to use if you deal with anxiety, if you need to just find a sense of calm, if you need to calm your nervous system. So I encourage you, like I am today, get outside, bring me with you so we can breathe together, breathe in some fresh air, and find your comfortable seat. So go ahead, sit nice and tall. I always encourage you to be as comfortable as possible so you can really focus in on the breath. So use a prop to pop underneath you, lean against a wall, find a chair. Go ahead and soften the eyes closed. And begin by just observing your natural rhythm today. Noticing the inhale and the exhale as they flow through the nostrils. Notice the sensation of the air, if there's a breeze around you, touching the skin. Notice the sounds. Start to lengthen out the breath. See if you can breathe into the low belly. And then empty the low belly. You can even bring one hand to that low belly space, so as you inhale, you can feel the expansion. And then feel the low belly contract in and towards your spine. Let's begin our Sukha breaths. So we're going to inhale for a count of 4, or whatever count you feel comfortable with. You can take it up to 5, you can take it down to 3. And then we're going to hold the breath for that same count, and then breathe out for that same count. So take this in your own time. And once you become comfortable with that breathing pattern, notice the invitation you have to pause when you are in that breath retention, when you're holding your breath. Notice your heartbeat. Can you quiet the body and the mind enough to listen to your pulse? And maybe you come to the point where you're not even counting anymore, but you're just following the counts of your heart, the beat of your heart, the rhythm of your heart. Let's take 2 more cycles of Sukha breath. Empty that exhale fully. And just relax your breathing. Just finding an easy breath. Take a moment here to just observe. Let's bring the hands together at our heart center. We're going to rub the palms together. Place that energy right over the eyes and absorb. Let's take that palming one more time. Rub the palms together. Energy over the eyes. Relax the hand. You can go ahead and blink the eyes open. Okay, well done, everyone. Thank you so much for taking a little time to breathe with me today. Remember that our breath is one of our greatest healing tools. So this is one that I carry with me off the mat. Like I said, I use it in situations where I feel like I just need some grounding, where I feel a little bit of anxiety. So use these tools that we have in this yoga practice and take on the day.